नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो। Myself, Jevin Dr. Monica Trivedi. Today I am going to teach you about the reduction process. In previous lectures, we have learned about the oxidation process. Okay, so the reduction is it can be defined as the removal of oxygen or addition of hydrogen or the addition of electron to an organic substance. Thus, the reducive process falls into three categories: the removal of oxygen, the addition of hydrogen, and the gain of the electron. The addition of hydrogen may be subdivided into hydrogenation and addition of hydrogen to the unsaturated system. Okay, in this reaction you can see here the alkene in presence of catalyst it will reduce to alkane. Okay, so the hydrogenolysis, the addition of hydrogen with a bond which is breaked. Okay, so in this reaction you can see here the this bond is break from here, and addition of hydrogen which is placed on this place. Okay, so in presence of H2 molecule and PDCl2, the product is C6H5CH3. Okay, the 1 mole of hydrogen added here and 1 mole of hydrogen added here. So this is the addition of hydrogen in this reaction. Okay, now in the another reaction you can see here this bond will break, the addition of hydrogen here and the addition of hydrogen here. So 2 mole of hydrogen occurs, the addition of hydrogen here in presence of vanadium catalyst. So the next is if we see the mechanism of this kind of reaction, what happened here. Firstly, by addition of the electron followed by the either of proton or by a coupling reaction. Okay, there is two schemes. First is for a proton uptake, and second is the coupling reaction. Okay, what happened in a proton uptake? Firstly, in presence of sodium catalyst, the electron added. Okay, what happened here is a free radical and here is a extra negative ion. So in presence of HOR, what happened, this bond shifted here and the free electron will bind with this hydrogen. Okay, we will get the 2 hydrogen molecule here, addition of hydrogen, the 3 triple bond the 3 bond system convert into 2 double bond system, and here is a free radical also. Now again in a presence of sodium and plus electron, if we one electron also added in presence of ROH, the this on this position hydrogen atom attached. So the final product is a 2 double bond cyclic ring. Okay, so the addition of the double bond was reduced by the addition of the hydrogen. So first is a proton uptake. The second is a coupling reaction. In this kind of reaction, in presence of sodium catalyst, the double bond of the carbonyl compound will reduce, and the addition here we can see the free radical as well as the negative ion. Now the coupling reaction from the 2 mole of this carbonyl compound will couple with each other and form the CRR molecule here, and 2 mole of oxygen we're having a lone pair over here. So on addition of the 2 mole of the hydrogen, this will convert into the diol. Okay, so this is the simple coupling reaction. Now by the transfer of hydrogen ion, the hydrides ion is involved in a reduction by the complex metal hydrolysis of the boron and the aluminium and the alkoxide of the aluminum. You can see in this reaction the lithium aluminum hydride is a strong reducting agent. In this reagent, the carbonyl compound will reduce. Okay, what happened in this reaction, you can see this compound will can be rearranged by RCR, C double bond O, lithium here, and HAlCH3 here. Okay, now what happened, the hydrogen attached in this position and the negative charge on the oxygen. Now this lithium is removed and the oxygen is attached with this OH. So this is the simple transfer of hydride ion. Again, the next example is by the addition of the molecule hydrogen in the presence of the catalyst. The catalyst reduction is carried out in the presence of molecular hydrogen and catalyst such as a palladium. Okay, this reaction also known as a Adams catalyst and Gene nickel catalyst. So many catalysts were used in a reduction process. You can see here the H2 in presence of platinum, nickel in presence of some heat is a catalyst. So in this kind of reaction, this double bond of the alkene will reduct. Okay, so 2 mole of hydrogen added here and 2 mole of hydrogen added here, and the double bond is reduced into a single bond. So the each method has its advantage. Okay, so in this kind of compound, okay, and the catalyst is changes. If we use this catalyst in axis, what happen here in this kind of reaction, the double bond is that in this compound the addition of hydrogen is take place in a chlorine and Br. The halogens are removed from this kind of reaction. Now in a second example, the triple bond converted into the double bond, alkyne converted into alkene. Okay, this in presence of H2 and the Landler catalyst. Okay, in the next reaction, the carbonyl group is reduced in the OH, and in this Becker yeast, in the presence of Becker yeast, the carbonyl compound will reduct in a OH group. Okay, so these are the general characteristics of reduction process. Thank you very much.